welcome back to our channel. It's called Under Our Roof. I'm Haley, and my fiance Cody and I bought this house and have completely renovated it. In this video, it's going to be a quick clean and show you some new decorations that I've gotten since the last video. If you haven't watched, I do have our total kitchen renovation. There used to be a wall up, so right now you wouldn't have been able to see me from that angle. But I also have our living room renovation, dining room renovation, but this one is all about cleaning, so I'm making a little under the sink concoction of cleaning products. And if you watched my other videos, you might have seen that I've deep cleaned little sections of the flooring throughout the whole house. So this is my last one that I had to do, was this hallway. So I decided I'm going to be doing quick cleaning. Everything else is pretty much picked up for the most part, so I'm going to go ahead and scrub this hallway before I put a rug down. So I'm scrubbing it with this brush that I got off of Amazon. I will link that down below, and then you'll see I'm going to attach a scrub brush onto the end of Cody's drill, and then I'm really going to power scrub it, and it works. It gets into all the grout. It's light grout, light tile, so it does show a lot of dirt, and that drives me insane. So scrubbing it, drying it, and gonna mop it. So if you saw my living room renovation video, then you'll know that I got a smaller version of this rug on Black Friday, and so I don't even remember which website I got it from, but I will link it down below. I totally forgot what it was even going to look like, so this was a surprise to me too, because Black Friday, I mean, you can tell by my clothes, Black Friday was winter and now I'm in summer clothes, so it was months ago. But I'm happy with it, and I made a good choice months ago. So I already told you that I knew I was going to be changing up this coffee station, so I'm doing a quick clean and going to set up the coffee station with some coffee cups. But before that, I'm just going to unload the dishwasher. So this stand I got from Home Goods, and then everything else is just coffee stuff that I already had, and so now I'm just rearranging and seeing what looks nice and then what works the best. So I showed you guys in the kitchen decoration video that I had this empty vase that was just sitting up there, and I needed to go to Hobby Lobby and grab some type of greenery to put in there. So this is what I ended up picking. I think I'm going to take one out because I think it looks better, less full, but that's how it'll be for now. And then I had this rug in our living room. I didn't think I was going to end up liking it in the dining room, but I do end up liking it, and I'm going to keep it here for a while. I do think a bigger rug in here will look better eventually, but I'm all about just using what you have and working with what you have, and since I do like it, I am going to keep it, but look out for maybe a bigger rug eventually. And the kitchen is never done without a clean sink and clean, fresh countertops.
And I breathe. One touch feels skin deep. A picture perfect, underserving. Everything will probably go in and out of one thought, and we break. Airborne as we face misconceptions, picture perfect, a balanced blend and some pretend.
And here's another surprise rug for myself that I picked up on Black Friday. So I will also try to find the link in the website and everything, all the information to this, and link it down below. And just like the other rug, I'm still happy with this choice, and it still goes with everything that I have going on.
In and out.
So I have to put Violet in her room before I start vacuuming because she likes to attack the vacuum every time I use it. But just like a clean countertop and clean sink, no quick clean is done without a quick vacuum and mop to finish it off.
Get me through, get me through. In and out.
And now everything's clean and new decorations, and it's starting to feel more and more like home. As you can see, the walls are still bare, so there will be future videos of decorating that. And I know I have some DIY projects coming up, so please like and subscribe for more. Thank you for watching.